Speaking to NLTV, Northeast Region Trifid RO Abhijit Dutta said that under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs scheme, Tribal Artisans Empanelment Mela was organized in the state of Nagaland to improve livelihood opportunities to tribal artisans. During this project, around 700 local artisans in the state of Nagaland have been empaneled and more than 1.5 crore worth order has been given to artisans under PTP and AR scheme. He also informed that now the India Post will reach their location to collect their local products from the artisans from shipping. He also informed that the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India has introduced this scheme with an initiative of marketing and logistics development for promotion of tribal products from Northeastern region for the benefit of local artisans of Northeastern region. The aim is to strengthen livelihood opportunities for tribal artisans through increased efficiency in procurement, logistics and marketing of tribal products from Northeastern states. The scheme will apply to the states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura and Sikkim.
Amakhan laga art to unique ase. Amakhan laga artisans aje jate bahut to mamuli talent na. Hole bhi ekta aru bhi diktar ki ase amakhan laga ki amakhan to inka nishna production koribo, bazar te sell koribo. Itu tahi khushi paigi na humai jabo. We never think amakhan कितने भी भावना न करे कि इतु तो स्टेट लेवल ते ले जाबो लगे, नेशनल लेवल ते ले जाबो लगे, इंटरनेशनल लेवल ते ले जाबो लगे. इतु तो कितने भी भावना न करे. बेसी कंटेंटेड थाके, बेसी खुशी पूरा आज तो सब सेल होइसे, आज सब बिक्री कुड़ी दिसे होइसे. एक हफ्ता आराम करिबो. बोले कि दुनिया बेसी फास्ट आगे जाय आसे. आमाखान के तो सब साबो लगे किनिका अलग जगह ग्रोथ करी आसे किनिका आमाखान के भी ग्रोथ करिबो लगे आमाखान नागा मानु के खान के भी इतु फील्ड ते स्मार्ट होबो लगे एवरीबॉडी कांट आइडेंटिफाई आर्ट की आसे अपने की बनाई कि ना से सब तो कुनबा काटने तो खाली एकता इतु सॉल ही होबो पारे न नॉर्मल सॉल इतु तो अमेज़न ते भी पाए फ्लिपकार्ट ते भी पाए अलग-अलग सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म ते भी पावो बोले भी की तते एकता हिस्ट्री आसे किनेगा इतु हिस्ट्री याते तक पुंची की ना आसे इतु भी अलग मानु खान के अमखान के जना बोले इतिया श्रेष्ठा करिबो लागे चांस दिबो लागे व्हेनेवर यू सेल योर प्रोडक्ट अपनी खान केतिया इतु प्रोडक्ट सेल करि आसे ताते अलग इतु लागे स्टोरी छोटू होइले भी हुरु होइले भी कोत पर स्टार्ट होइसे केतिया स्टार्ट होइसे इतु दिले तो अपनी लगा आर्ट लगा वेटेज भी उठी जाबो और इतु लगा डिमांड उठी जाबो बिकॉज़ मानु खान के व्हेनेवर बाहर ते मानु खान परचेज करी आसे दे फील वेरी हैप्पी तखन बेसी खुशी पाए इतु लगा ओरिजिन जाने की ना इतु लगा हिस्ट्री जाने की ना ओके तो अलग ताते भी काम करी बोले ट्राई करिस থাকিবি किनिका इतु एकता आर्ट आइ आसे छोटू एकता होले भी एकता टैग विल बी मोर देन एनफ इनका नाही कि मानु खान याते नागालैंड ते इनका ना करी आसे बेसी मानु खान इनका करी आसे बोले भी सब खान तो ना जाने इतु सो
रास्ता ठीक नहीं था कारण नौली तो अमेरिकन दूसरा स्टेट नेशनल लाइक अदर स्टेट अमेरिकन डोल्स एंड इम्प्लीमेंट्स मशीनरीज पैकेजिंग मटेरियल्स ठीक पर नबा कारण वी आर लिविंग बिहाइंड अमेरिकन इनका और अमेरिकन इंडिविजुअल लेवल दे नहीं कि ना अमेरिकन कोऑपरेट सिस्टम दे इतिया तो एकता पर एकता की मोटो करे कि ना कोऑपरेटिवली अमेरिकन करे बोले कोशिश करूँ लगे केले बोले अपनी का लगा एक प्रोड्यूस एक प्रोडक्ट मांगिबो किंतु डिमांड तो फुलफिल कर দিব নাপাৰিলে अपनी तो কৰি আছে কিন্তু এতিয়া ডিমান্ড ফুলফিল কৰি দিব নাপাৰিলে তাতে আপুনি বেনিফিট নাপাব সো টু ফুলফিল দ্যাট ডিমান্ড ফুড प्रोसेसिंग भी होगी पैकेजिंग भी होगी हैंडलूम हैंडीक्राफ्ट सेक्टर भी होगी आर्टिसंस का एकेलगे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स का मिलाइके ना एकटा पर एकटा आइडिया दिके ना करिले एतु बेसी सक्सेस हो
Thank you, sir, for the time. Sir, the Tribal Cooperative Federation of India, under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, is organizing this tribal artisans empanelment scheme is going on. So till now, can you update us how many local artisan has been registered, or under the empanelment it has been done in this scheme?
Thank you very much. TriFed under Ministry of Tribal Affairs is conducting third phase of TEM. So in Nagaland, phase 1 started in April, phase 2 in October, and this is third phase. Till today I am telling, under phase 1 and phase 2 we have done around 500 plus, and in third phase till today it's around 200 plus. So in all together around 700 artisan has been impaneled, and I'm happy to say that around more than 1.5 CR worth of order has been given to our artisans under PTP NER scheme. It's a basically promotion of tribal products under Northeastern region. We supporting them in marketing and logistic, the two biggest problem of this area. Marketing, people are search for market. We provide them marketing through our 150 plus stores and our online presence. And secondly, we send them to exhibitions to different parts of India and international also. So, and logistic, we have a tie-up with India Post. So now artisan doesn't have to worry how I will send the product, which courier I should send. They have to just inform us when we give them order. They have to inform us that we are ready with the product, and the India Post will reach to their location and collect the product from them and ship it for them. So the biggest issue, because as I know, from sending one small parcel, it costs too much because this artisan is from Kiffair or Shamator. It will cost you around more than 2,000 rupees sending a 20 kg parcel. So to overcome all these two main problems, this project has been introduced.
So, sir, so far during this artisan tribal mela, do you think that is there any order blessed from the TriFed, or how many, if there is an order, how many order has been blessed order from the state of Nagaland from the artisan?
As I told you earlier, one worth more than 1.5 crore order already placed in phase 1, phase 2. For phase 3, we are only procuring items, samples. We will take them to the Guwahati, our regional office. There one team of expert will sit and they will finalize the orders, how many this product is saleable, how many orders they can be put on that. After they're deciding, we'll send them orders. Generally, it takes 1 to 2 months to sending them the orders. So according to that, I can say in just 1 month or 2 months, they will start receiving the orders, the people who are now we are empaneling with us.
So, sir, during these activities, do you find that the demands, the Nagaland artisan, local artisan demands will be, will be high in the international or the national level?
There is two part I'm telling you that what international people want and what local people want. See, our local people who are local of Nagaland, they nowadays want more shiny items, and people have started using shiny threads. But in international market, people want their raw items, that indigenous product. So this is totally different. So we are under this we try to tell our artisans also, please stay with your indigenous thing. We will help in promoting your indigenous thing. And to the local people, you can make, but for international market or national market, your indigenous is your identity. Please do not lose those identity, and we are here to support as per your tribes. We will support you. Yeah, we have already completed 4 districts. Now it is 5th. Next is we are going to Seminyu. So we have already completed Dimapur, Chumukidima, Newland and Jaluki. So in total we have already completed 12 districts. Now we are reaching in block wise. So it is not the end. We will come again for 4th phase to other blocks of the Nagaland. So it is a continuous process, and government has mandated that under policy Look East. See, government is very much dedicated to promotion of our tribal products. So we are here, TriFed will be continuously coming and supporting our tribal artisans.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.